Around 12,000 years ago, climate change fostered warmer conditions, facilitating the expansion of grasslands and significantly impacting human survival strategies. This pivotal environmental transformation laid the foundation for agricultural development. As humans began to observe crops and animal behavior, they shifted from hunting to farming. This newfound knowledge allowed for settled communities and effective food production management. The congregation of populations in specific locations led to the emergence of cities. This urbanization became a fundamental element in the evolution of early civilizations, particularly those situated near river systems. During the construction of a railway, a significant discovery occurred: high-quality bricks that revealed the advanced engineering of the Harappan civilization. This finding sparked renewed interest in archaeological studies. Archaeologists identified Harappa as one of the oldest cities, which led to the discovery of similar structures elsewhere, referred to as Harappan sites. This connection reinforces the historical ties among ancient urban centers. The conversation extends to future research areas concerning the features of the Harappan civilization, such as city layout, residential structures, drainage systems, and the eventual decline of this ancient society. Understanding these elements is essential for contextualizing its history. Analyzing the distinctive features of urban outlets reveals a clearer understanding of ancient urban planning. Such insights significantly contribute to comprehending the societal organization of these early cities. Craftsmanship within these cities was significant, reflecting high-quality materials and construction techniques. This showcases the advanced skills of artisans prevalent during that era. Locations such as Mohenjo-Daro exhibit remarkable architectural accomplishments and urban organization. Studying these urban layouts enhances our insights into the dynamics of ancient civilizations. In ancient cities, elaborate storehouses were vital, underscoring the importance of storing agricultural products and facilitating trade. These structures significantly contributed to the settlement's economy and sustainability. Dedicated buildings, such as tanks and bathing facilities, were specifically designed for the elite and showcased intricate construction techniques. These structures reflect the social stratification evident in ancient urban centers. Water management systems, including wells and drainage mechanisms, were critical for maintaining hygiene and public health. The engineering behind these systems exemplifies the advanced understanding of urban infrastructure. Historic house designs often featured courtyards, which were essential for ventilation and natural light. These design principles are now echoed in modern architecture. The evolution from separate bathrooms to integrated ones illustrates changes in privacy and space utilization in contemporary homes, reflecting shifting societal norms. Effective drainage systems were crucial for managing water flow and preventing flooding in these cities. Understanding historical drainage methods offers valuable insights into contemporary urban planning challenges. Rulers played significant roles in Harappa, overseeing the city and its residents. Their leadership was vital in maintaining order and governance within the community. Trade involved extensive journeys to procure raw materials, reflecting the expansive trade networks of the city. This movement of goods indicated the economic vibrancy of the Harappan civilization. Craftsmen significantly contributed to the economy, producing a variety of goods and services. They typically worked from home or in workshops, emphasizing the importance of artisanal skills in Harappan society. Rulers also orchestrated the planning of special buildings, ensuring structured development and effective resource allocation for construction projects. This strategic planning was essential for proficient management. Valuable materials like metals and stones were sourced from distant regions, highlighting the logistics involved in ancient construction. This practice underscores the trade networks of that period. The use of various metals, including gold, silver, and bronze in crafting tools and ornaments, underscores the technological advancements of the epoch. These materials played significant roles in daily life. The discovery of cotton at ancient sites such as Mehrgarh illustrates the early utilization of textiles in civilization, emphasizing the advanced agricultural practices of the time. A stone statue unearthed in Mohenjo-Daro reflects the artistic and cultural expressions prevalent in early societies. Artifacts like this offer glimpses into both the spiritual and everyday lives of these ancient people. Materials such as copper and gold were traded not only locally but also sourced from distant locations, indicating a sophisticated trade system that fostered socio-economic growth. Copper primarily came from Oman, which highlights the extensive global trade connections of ancient materials. This emphasizes the significance of regional geography in historical contexts. Gold was notably sourced from Karnataka, illustrating how different regions specialized in valuable resources. This knowledge enhances our understanding of past economic systems. Precious stones were obtained from regions like Gujarat and Afghanistan, showcasing diverse mining practices. This distribution of resources influenced trade and cultural exchanges over time. Lothal's strategic geographical position, near the Gulf of Khumbat and the Sabarmati tributary, significantly impacted its trade and cultural interactions. Lothal stood out due to its division into three distinct parts, each surrounded by massive boundaries and entrance gateways, which enhanced its organization and security. Serving as an important trade center, Lothal featured a dockyard allowing ships to dock, highlighting its pivotal role in maritime commerce of ancient times. The shift in drainage patterns and rising garbage accumulation signified a decline in urban planning and sanitation systems. This deterioration reflected a broader trend of urban decay. Multiple factors contributed to this decline, including deforestation, changes in river paths, and overgrazing. These environmental shifts severely affected agricultural productivity and resource availability. The loss of authority among rulers due to external invasions emerged as another major contributor to the collapse of these cities. This disruption led to a breakdown of the social and political frameworks. Migration trends illustrate the movement from larger to smaller settlements, particularly in eastern and southern regions. This shift indicates evolving habitation patterns. Historically, around 5,000 years ago, Egypt thrived under kingly rule, establishing a unique civilization in a challenging desert environment. This reflects the adaptability of societies in adverse conditions. Burial practices in ancient Egypt were intricate, involving not only the kings but also servants, highlighting the cultural importance of the afterlife. Various offerings were included for the departed.